How to return Xfinity equipment. So to return Xfinity equipment, you can either visit an Xfinity store or a UPS store, or you can initiate the return online for prepaid shipping labels. So for online returns, you'll need to a Xfinity ID and password. Then you can select the equipment for return and print a label and ship it back. So for online return with prepaid shipping, just go to Xfinity Digital Return Center and sign in with your Xfinity ID or password. You can basically tap on this first link by simply searching on any of your favorite browser. And once inside here, whether you are visiting via any of your browser, or you can just directly search in for xfinity.com/returns and simply tap on this link, which will obviously take you to the homepage of the Xfinity/returns. And once inside, you just have to provide with your email ID, registered email address, mobile or username, and simply type in your password as well. And if you don't see your device, simply follow the return options below. Like even if you already have disconnected your account, you can still use the digital return center. You just need your Xfinity ID and password. So if you ever need help with the ID and password, you can just tap on this link that is go here option over here, where you can easily reset your link as well. So if you ever felt confusing, if you ever feel confused, you can always come over to this website, that is xfinity.com/support, to simply view regarding your issue and going through this article by yourself. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.